Okay, so let me explain this again. So I'm just going to give the T1. Okay. So total how many where is our design? So, okay, this is what we are going to design, right? So now you can see. So total we have three columns. Sorry, four columns, right? So what I am going to do is, right, where is this? Yeah. So I have what I have did. So I have made the display as the flex. Sorry, grid, and I am going to grid area names. Okay. So now here you can see here for all the boxes, I have given the area name, different area names for all the boxes. Test one box, T1 is the grid area name. Like this, I have given. So this is not required. So I will do this. 100%. Or else, okay, it will be 100%. So here, total how many columns that we have? We have four columns, right? We have four columns. So four columns, first column, first row. First column, first row will be the text box 1, and then again text box 2, T2, T2, right? First column and first this thing. Okay, and then what we have, and then 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3 is third box, right? Third box. When you do this, it will be fourth box, right? And 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3 is the fifth box. 4, 4 is the again fourth box. So just trying to click there. Okay, you can see this. You can see this design. So for our better understanding, what I will do is like just design this same here for third box. I'm going to do this. Okay. Now you can see we got it. So this is what we wanted to design, right? This is what our requirement is to design, right? You can see this is similar to this one. Look at this. Is it clear, guys? Now is it clear? I think something is cheap for this too. Let's see the design. 3, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay. Good. Any doubts in this one? Now, I hope you understood now, right? Any doubts, guys? So the screen is not visible. Ayyo. Why, man? I have shared the screen as well. Are able to see the screen now? జనార్దన్ ప్యాడింగ్ అంటే మనం ఇన్సైడ్ కంటెంట్ని ఏదైనా ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ డిజైన్డ్ ఏ బాక్స్, సో ఆ బాక్స్లో ఉన్న కంటెంట్ని మనం గ్యాప్ ఇవ్వాలనుకోండి, అప్పుడు మనం ప్యాడింగ్ యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. అవుట్ సైడ్ గ్యాప్ ఇవ్వాలనుకుంటే మార్జిన్ యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. క్లియర్? సో anyhow I will share the video. Okay, I will share the code as well. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. అర్థం కాకుంటే మండే మనం రివిజన్ సెషన్ ఉంటుంది. సో కంప్లీట్గా అన్ని టాపిక్స్ లైక్ డిస్ప్లే, ఫ్లెక్స్ బాక్సెస్, యానిమేషన్స్, ట్రాన్సిషన్స్, 2D 3D అండ్ ఇప్పుడు చెప్పిన గ్రిడ్, ఇంతకుముందు చెప్పిన సిఎస్ఎస్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ అన్ని ఒకసారి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. సో మండే కంప్లీట్ రివిజన్ సెషన్ ఉంటుంది. మీకు ఏం డౌట్ ఉన్నా సరే యూ కెన్ ఆస్క్ సో దట్ విల్ ప్రొసీడ్. So if you want us to conduct in the Google Meet, because for the doubt clarification session, it will be good to have unmute and talk. So ఒకసారి అడిగి నేను గూగుల్ మీట్లో అయినా కండక్ట్ చేయమని చెప్తాను. So that you can unmute by yourself and you can talk and ask your doubts. Right. So okay guys, I think practice చేయండి. Monday will connect through Google Meet mostly. So that Monday completely will be the revision session. So if you have any doubts in any topic till now, CSS, HTML, everything, you can ask me. I will clarify your doubts. Clear? So thank you. Asma, I already shared the complete code to the team. I don't know whether you got it or not. You can see here. I have uploaded on the daily basis. I am uploading the videos and also the. So you can see this is the shared point where I got from your team. So you can see here.